Hello everyone. Spark gap is the key to overunity. You can see this diagram. It was made in 1897 and in 1901. Um, John Seeley Edward is by this guy. This guy claims he discovered a free energy using a spark gap. And the diagram is very simple: DC voltage, high electric field with positive and negative. And yeah, it's just there's a gap here and nothing special. So, using this diagram, and he talked about the spark gap and free energy. Okay. So, this is what I thought. What is happening that in between that spark gap? Well, I think it is lightning. So let's first look at the how the lightning works. You can see the cloud. In the cloud, which is form of water, there's a positive electron and negative electron bonded. Electrons are bonded together very tightly, but when the cloud is moved by the wind, it causes static electricity, and the positive and negatives are bonds. These bonds are separated, and that caused the lightning went in. Okay, so that is very simple. So here's my diagram. It's the upgraded version of this guy. It's John Seeley Edward. So here's my version of the overunity diagram, and this is a cylinder, a plastic cylinder, and here is electrode plate, not electrode plate, and here in right between there's a water mist. There's a water mist because now we are splitting the water mist. Okay, so there's the electron in the water. There's a huge amount of electron, but we just don't know how to split that electron. But we're using a high voltage to split that electron, and those once the water particle is split into two electron, it goes into a capacitor. Now this capacitor could be AC or DC, whatever you prefer, and here's the load. So what I so yeah so the only thing here is we in the cloud. Obviously in the cloud, what is cloud? Yeah, it's a form of water mist. Cloud is a fog made of water. Okay, that's the important part. But if you're trying to split, like here in this diagram, which is the thin air, you will get a different result. Depends on the humidity of the air. Okay, if you're doing this experiment on a very rainy days, you'll probably get over unity. But in the summer, on daytime or dry, if air is dry, you'll probably not get you don't get over unity. So that's why it is important to use the cylinder, this kind of cylinder, and to use water mist, and you get a constant same result. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Bye bye.